Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to join affiliate program. Let's begin. Now, to join the Semrush affiliate program and start earning commissions for every first purchase and trial made by your referrals, you might want to log in first to your account. If you haven't already, this is the perfect opportunity for you to create your account here by clicking the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Then you would be forwarded here in the Semrush affiliate program, where it is a great way to earn commissions by promoting the Semrush to your audience. Click the apply button. Wait for it to load. You will be forwarded here. Now, all I have to do is sign up using from this page. You can join and boost your income, apply and earn big by promoting the tools. Basically, Semrush will reward you with $200. I'm gonna zoom in it for you guys so you can see it. For every sale and $10 for every trial you generate. You can enjoy dedicated support, 120 days of cookie life, and thousands of training and promo materials to run unique campaigns, and they're waiting for you. 5 minutes to complete. Let's click the sign up button. You would be forwarded. This is going to be the contract terms for Semrush. All right. You see, the payout details is 0.0 per order. Schedule is action locking. Actions are launched 27 days after end of the month they are tracked. So I want you to read and understand all the terms and conditions before you push through with the affiliate program. All right. Trial is $10. Okay, so registration, this is very important. Registration is at $0.01. Trial is $10. All right. First purchase is $1 to $200, but the condition are these. Okay. Schedules are locked 27 days, and general terms are currency. If you want to open, now let's click the accept button. What will happen is, again, we need to sign up and start earning. So this is the perfect opportunity again to log in with our credentials. You can use your Apple, your Facebook, your Google, your Twitter or X, or even LinkedIn. Or you can sign in with impact.com if you have an account here. I'm going to use Google for once. All right, signing in. Just wait for it. You will be forwarded to the affiliate program. All right. Now, this is going to be the last part of the signing up. All I have to do is complete all of the process. All right. And of course, you need to specify your preferred payment method like PayPal, wire transfer, and a lot more. You can share your traffic sources and promotional strategies if required. And of course, from here, you submit your application. Now, after submitting, Semrush will review your application. Approval typically takes a few days, and you may receive an email asking for more information if necessary. All right. And once approved, you just have to log into your account, navigate to the affiliate link section to access your unique referral links. And from here, if you have like questions, and if you wanted to do a follow-up regarding about the status of your affiliate program application, you might want to contact the Semrush official customer support service. All right. And from there, send them an email, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems along the way with their application. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.